See, it is very well-known fact all across Karnataka. Even a small kid or oldest of the old lady, if you go and ask them about the finance position of Karnataka government, everyone knows that this Karnataka government has no funds in its coffers. It's a completely empty coffer. So naturally, Mr. Tejasvi Surya has tried to bring this issue to the government people's notice by carrying an empty trunk, which symbolizes that the coffers of government are empty. So it is a protest highlighting the current status of Karnataka and Karnataka government. I really don't know why Karnataka government has taken a step of arresting or detaining Mr. MP Tejasvi Surya. It is before arresting, as Tejasvi said, they should have informed the speaker also. And more than that, they should allow free and fair protest in the country, because for every step their leader carries that copy of our constitution and starts talking about constitution. Why are they arresting a member of parliament and other people who are trying to demonstrate against the current poor state of affairs of Karnataka?